Unitree Robotics has just unveiled footage of its H1 humanoid robot hitting a jaw-dropping top speed of 10 meters per second on an outdoor track. Yes, a full-size humanoid robot running that fast. To put that into perspective, that's faster than most humans can sprint, and this machine is doing it with an average adult-like build. We're talking about a robot that weighs around 62 kilograms with a leg length of just 0.8 meters, yet it's moving with incredible agility and balance, completely untethered. No cables, no support systems, just pure robotic performance. And here's what makes this even more insane. This isn't just a new record, it's a massive leap forward. Back in 2024, the same H1 robot was clocking speeds of just 3.3 meters per second. Now, it has nearly tripled its speed. That's not evolution, that's acceleration. And the competition is heating up. Earlier, in February 2026, a rival robot from Mirror Me called Bolt managed to hit a similar 10 meters per second, but under controlled testing conditions. Unitree's run? Outdoors. Real track, real-world conditions. That changes everything. But here's where the story gets even bigger. China's robotics industry is moving at a pace that's hard to ignore. On April 19 in Beijing, over 300 humanoid robots are expected to compete in a half marathon. Yes, a marathon for robots. And if this H1 performance is anything to go by, we're not just watching machines improve, we're watching them evolve into something far more capable. So the question is, how long before humanoid robots match or even surpass human athletic performance? Because at this speed, that future might be closer than we think. Subscribe to Future Wheels for more cutting-edge innovations, because the future isn't coming, it's already here.